Okay, so let's get started on our ignition start-stop switch. You're going to notice on the side of the new start-stop switch, you've got these little tabs. That's where you want to push and try to draw this out. Just going to come right along the side with my plastic trim tool so I don't mar anything up. Go right here. Should just want to pop right up. There we go. Just went right along here. Take the new switch. I'm going to hold along the edges and not on the button, obviously. That clips right in. All right, let's see if it starts. Very nice.